Hey guys, welcome back to Stacking Stocks, and thank you so much for joining us today. We have a lot more informative content for you today. Let's get started. What does Goldman Sachs say about NIO stock? Here's what the company has to say. It has undoubtedly been a rocky year for NIO stock. The stock has witnessed wavering investor sentiment stemming from the ongoing chip supply shortage, and regulatory headwinds in China have put serious pressure on the stock. NIO has moved down by almost 40% since peaking at more than $66 earlier this year. Goldman Sachs' improved outlook on the stock, paired with NIO's stronger than expected delivery numbers for the third quarter, may be an indication that it's finally due for a turnaround. So in today's session, we'll discuss Goldman Sachs' thoughts on NIO stock. Watch the video until the end, and all your questions will be answered. Stay tuned. What do you think about Goldman Sachs' thoughts on NIO stock? Make sure you let us know via the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss out on fresh updates. Now let's hit the ground running. NIO stock has been on a slow but steady uptrend in recent weeks. It gained 7% since NIO's release of third quarter delivery results earlier this month, and about 5% since Goldman Sachs announced its revised rating from hold to buy at a price recommendation of $56 on the stock a few days back. Well, what next? The gradual uptrend is expected to persist with fresh catalysts on the near-term horizon. The upcoming release of NIO's third quarter earnings is expected to shed light on its progress with growth initiatives, including additional detail on the launch timeline of its new brand and product roadmap. It's also expected to boost investors' confidence in NIO's financial prospects. NIO's annual keynote event at the year-end, NIO Day, which typically walks through new products and technology upgrades and launches, will likely provide additional detail on the two new vehicles and separate line launching in 2022 at the minimum, if not making the event their official launch like the EV maker did for the ET7 at NIO Day 2020. We believe that robust demand for EVs in China also continues to underpin long-term growth opportunities for NIO. Since its debut in 2018, NIO has grown into one of the most prominent EV brands in the fast-growing Chinese market. On these considerations, we remain bullish on NIO and maintain our 12-month price target at $59.74, discussed in previous coverage, which is similar to Goldman Sachs' recent recommendation. The stock continues to be well-positioned for the return of a strong rally in both the short and long run, given NIO's roadmap to increasing market share through its ongoing foray in Europe and extensive model pipeline, coupled with an overall rise in global EV adoption. This underpins better valuations ahead, making the stock's current price levels a reasonable entry point for investors. Did you know that Goldman Sachs upgraded their rating on NIO from hold to buy with a price recommendation of $56? Goldman Sachs' expectation on NIO's upside potential also resonates with Bank of America's buy rating at $62. The release of the news sent NIO on an intraday climb of close to 7%. Goldman Sachs research notes indicate that the upcoming commencement of customer deliveries for the ET7 premium luxury sedan early next year could cement the company as a leader in the premium EV market and underpin renewed upsides for the stock. What do we know about the ET7? Well, the ET7 is a premium, full-size, smart electric sedan that directly competes with Tesla's Model S, Mercedes S-Class, and the BMW 7 Series. With a price tag starting at 448,000 renminbi or from 378,000 renminbi with a subscription to BAS, NIO's proprietary battery solution subscription service, the ET7 makes NIO's most expensive vehicle model released to date, outside of the EP9 supercar. Now, the ET7 is built on the NIO Technology Platform 2.0, a brand new higher-margin technology platform, and features NIO autonomous driving, the EV maker's proprietary advanced driver assistance system. NAD is powered by NIO Aquila Supersensing and NIO Atom Supercomputing, which combines 33 high-performance sensors and high-resolution perception hardware, including 118-megapixel cameras and an ultra-long-range LiDAR, with advanced computing power to enable a safe and streamlined self-driving experience. The ET7 also features one of the highest range capabilities in the industry. When fitted with NIO's legacy 70 kilowatt-hour and 100 kilowatt-hour batteries, the vehicle can travel more than 310 miles and 434 miles, respectively, on a single charge. But with the newest 150 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery pack that will soon be added to NIO's current lineup of swappable batteries, potentially by the fourth quarter of 2022, The ET7 is expected to deliver a range capability of up to 620 miles on a single charge, topping the current record holder Lucid Motors' range capability of 520 miles on a single charge. Coupled with its proprietary battery swapping technology, which can switch a drained battery out for a fully charged one in less than 3 minutes. The ET7 will become one of the first premium smart electric sedans to address two of the biggest roadblocks to global EV adoption: range anxiety and long charge times. Goldman Sachs has estimated a monthly demand for more than 10,000 premium vehicles in the Chinese market. Paired with the Chinese market's increasing demand for EVs, the ET7 and its advanced technological capabilities make NIO well positioned to partake in the growth opportunities ahead and better compete for market share within the rising segment. With an improved outlook in the books for NIO's emerging leadership within the premium EV market, the EV maker is slated for better valuation prospects ahead. While the second quarter earnings release had left investors begging for more information after dropping limited but surprising information about the upcoming launch of two NIO vehicles and a brand new sister brand in 2022 to better penetrate the mass market, we expect the third quarter earnings release will probably provide further detail to ease the suspense. We think that the EV maker will also provide an update on the production outlook for the rest of the year given ongoing supply chain disruptions, its expansion progress in Norway and the rest of Europe, as well as the delivery timeline for its ET7 sedans. NIO's guidance for year-end will also be critical for evaluating whether the company is progressing as investors and the broader market have expected. Considering NIO's better-than-expected delivery numbers for the third quarter, the upcoming earnings call will likely add to the upbeat results and further encourage the stock's uptrend. September delivery volumes reached an all-time monthly high in NIO's history. Now, this is crazy. The EV maker delivered 10,628 vehicles in the last month of the third quarter, which is up 125.7% year over year and 80.7% from August slump due to supply chain disruptions. In total, NIO has delivered 24,439 vehicles in the third quarter, representing a growth of 100.2% year over year. The stunning results came as a surprise amid a global tightening of automotive chip supplies, and especially after the EV maker had revised their initial third quarter delivery guidance down from 23,000 to 25,000 vehicles to 22,500 to 23,500 vehicles in August, following a disappointment in mid-quarter delivery volumes due to chip supply constraints. Actual third-quarter deliveries beat the higher range of the revised quarterly delivery guidance and also exceeded the median of its original quarterly delivery guidance. Another highly anticipated event will be NIO Day 2021 at year-end. While the exact date for the keynote event has not yet been released, it is expected to happen sometime between December 1st, 2021 and January 15th, 2022, based on prior year patterns. Many are speculating that the EV maker will debut the two new vehicles announced in the second quarter during their upcoming keynote event in Suzhou, like it did for the ET7 during the NIO Day 2020 in Chengdu. It's been rumored that NIO will be launching a second sedan dubbed the ET5 during NIO Day 2021. The new model is expected to be a mid-size sedan built on the NT 2.0 platform with similar designs as the ET7. The upcoming unveiling of new vehicles, which could happen at NIO Day 2021, is likely to be catalytic for the stock. Last year, the unveiling of the ET7 during NIO Day 2020 had sent NIO's share price to an all-time high of more than $66, jumping close to 20% from the preceding trading day's low. This underscores a promising uptrend for the stock in both the short and long run, making its current price level a reasonable buy opportunity. Well, that's all we have from Goldman Sachs' thoughts on NIO stock. If you enjoyed today's video, then you'll probably love the other ones. Just click on the screen to watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time right here on Stacking Stocks.